Welcome, in front of me is a Nord CE2 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can record screen on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to pull down your notifications, expand it, and look for the toggle. Now for me the toggle is on the second page right over here, so once you locate it, you can either hold it and this will take you to the settings, or you can immediately tap on it and it will start recording. But I do recommend navigating into the settings just because the default settings of it are just abysmal. 720p. What is this, 2017? So, oh, never mind. This is already set to the highest apparently. Yep, so I guess we don't really have a choice of going with 1080p. It's recording max at 720p. Fantastic. So we're stuck with a little bit of a crappy quality right here. Now in terms of frame rate, at least change that to 60. This will make the actual screen recording look serviceable. Otherwise at 30 it's just gonna look a little bit choppy. So anyway, that's basically what I recommend changing right here. And once you have done so, you can then find the toggle, tap on it. Now if you're doing this for the first time, it just kind of gives us some pop-up statement of use, continue, agree and continue. Then we need to give access to a couple different features. There we go. And from here, you want to select this button right here, the red record button. And as you can see, it is now recording. So whatever you will do right now will be recorded by the device. I'm just kind of like opening and doing something so there is something to see. And once you're done with it, you can tap on this overlay again, click on the red square, and this will save the actual screen recording to your gallery application, or photos as it's called right here. So there it is. So you can see it's playing back. So anyway, that is how we can record screen on this phone, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.